It's okay. The storm is all the way outside. And look, it's making pretty flashes of light.
Loud! Scary! No! Most perfect timing ever.
Yeah! It's a super extra special time in the Zooniverse. It's the first day of Burping Boulder season! Ugh, burping boulders are the best! They're big and noisy and loud and noisy. Woohoo! And did I mention loud?
Loud?
Really, really loud! Loud, 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 loud!
Ian, I don't like loud. Scares me.
It's okay to be scared, Maple. And you want to know something? I've never actually seen the burping boulders myself.
Are you scared too?
To the tip of my tail. You're not the only one who doesn't like loud noises. However, I've been doing some thinking. Iris.
Yes, Ian?
Show what I found.
Yes, Ian?
It turns out that the bigger the boulder, the louder the burps. This map shows where to find the burping boulders. And here's where the smallest ones are. I think if I see the littler, quieter ones, I'll be able to work up to the bigger, louder ones. Maybe we can do it together?
Together?
Yeah, together we can see and hear the little not-so-loud boulders.
Together. Not loud. Yes!
Then, let's go! According to the map, this is Cloud Canyon. And to get to the small boulders, we have to get to the other side.
Maybe turn back?
There's always a way. Whoa. I think they want to help us cross the canyon.
Go that way! Thank you. No clouds?
I have an idea. I've never done it before, but we might be able to try it together. Ready? As hard as you can, think of a rainbow.
Rainbow, 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 rainbow!
We did it! Now, according to the map, we have to cross this pond. But I don't know how.
I try.
Can you help us get across the pond? Thank you. Okay, Maple, you first.
Yay! Faster, faster!
Iris! Let me reboot. Must have knocked a sprog loose.
Yay!
Onward! We should start seeing the little burping boulders soon.
What that?
That must be one of the burping boulders.
Hey, eat! Maple! Wow, you made it! How did you guys get here so fast? And way to go, finding the biggest burping boulders.
These are the big ones? But they're not scary at all. How? Oh, when Iris went glitchy, she led us to the wrong place. But that's okay. Now I know I don't need to be afraid of burping boulders, no matter how big they are.
And I see Maple isn't bothered by how loud they are either. I know, scared.
Well, we were a little scared. That's why we wanted to start with the smallest boulders. And then we had to cross a canyon, and a river, and a pond. But we figured it all out and did it together.
I'm so proud of you both. You learned that talking about how you were feeling...
Scared?
Yes, scared. But talking about it helped you. And you didn't let the scary feeling stop you from having fun. Fun! Wake! Wake! Wake!
Is the lightning and thunder still scaring you?
No, scared. It's fun. Pretty.